This is a Gingersnap. Tips, tricks, and not deep thoughts from a traveling ginger. Alright y'all, so if you're trying to clean your refrigerator, you need to defrost it every now and then. That means just turn it off, stick a towel under it, let it defrost, all the water runs out, you're good to go. But it gets very inefficient if it's covered in frost. So read your manual. Defrost your fridge. Now, if you're looking to clean your fridge, here's how to do it. Now, my fridge gets these black streaks from bottles and whatnot. You know, and it's like it's like it's scuffed up. It just gets a little gnarly. Now I went at this with a bleach wipe, very ineffectual. What you're gonna want is a magic eraser. It is magic. Alright, see that scuff mark? Scuff mark gone. Scuff mark. Scuff mark gone. Look at all this down in here. Look at all that black. Gone. Clean as a whistle. Get your magic eraser. Use that. Clean your fridge.